Hello, I am Mohammad Kef Nazir and today I will be showcasing my project Safex Bank, which is built using JavaFX and follows the MVVM architecture, the model VB model architecture. So let's dive into a demo. Upon running the application, you are presented with an authentication screen where you can select either admin or client and log in with your credentials. So let's explore the client interface first. So to access the system, you will need to input your exact account credentials. So there are like several validation checks in place to ensure the correctness of the information. Like you cannot enter with the wrong credentials. So let's type with some random values and you won't be able to enter. So let's start with a valid address. So there is an address with the name media address Safex, and the password is 1234556. You can check from here. And let's try to log in. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard displaying account details like account ID 1014, your name, high Mirasina, your checking balance, and saving balance. And you can initiate money transfer to any valid address. So to send money, you will need a valid Safex address and a valid amount, and it should be available in your checking balance. So any invalid address or amount will prevent the transaction. So let's try to simulate a transfer. So there is an ID with the name Zara that is Safex. And suppose I want to give 123, and as you can see, all transactions are reflected in the dashboard, and you can view the updated balance and transaction history. Just suppose I want to give amount to some different ID. Let's say cap added is Safex, and I want to give 1000 rupees. As you can see, it has been updated. And of course, you cannot give any amount that is actually greater than your checking account, and neither you can give a negative value. So let's give it a try, and you won't be able to do the transaction. So that's it for the dashboard. Let's move to the account section. Here you can transfer funds from checking to saving account and from saving to the checking account. The system also confirms the amount is positive and available for transfer. So let's give it a try. So suppose I want to transfer 1000 rupees to the checking account. And as you can see, it has been successfully transferred. And it is also reflected on the dashboard here and in the account section, of course. So let's move to the profile section. Here you can view your personal information like account ID, your name, your address, your password, and amounts, and the both of the accounts. So and also you can delete your account. In case you choose to delete your account, all the associated data will be removed from the system and you will be logged out. So let's give it a try. And you will be logged out. So let's try to enter with the same address, media address reference 1234556. You won't be able to log in. So that's it for the client section. Let's move to the admin section. So first enter your admin credentials to log in, and here also credentials are checked. So username is admin and the password is 123456. Let's try to log in. Upon login, you will land on the create client menu, but let's first explore the client section. Here you can view all the client details and perform actions like deleting a client account. So let's try to add a client. So for name, I can do something like Robert. We are a team. And also like there are many checks before you can add any client, like field should not be empty. Amount must be positive and address check must be selected, and it is of course unique. Let's try to make an account. Say I choose password as 123AST123. Amount I want to give, let's say 4000, and saving account I want to give, let's say 8000. Let's try to create a client. And as you can see, the client has been successfully added. And of course, you can check in the client section, just refresh the page, and you will see the client has been updated here with the same password and the same money that you have been given. So let's finally move to the deposit section. But before moving to, you can also delete the account here, and you can see the account has been deleted. Let's move to the deposit section. Here you can deposit any positive amount to any client with their valid address. Like for example, I want to give cap address FX. Cap address FX. Suppose I want to give 5000 rupees. Let's try to send money, and you can see the amount has been credited. And you can check in the client section. Once you refresh the page, you can see the amount will be updated here. See, amount has been updated. So you can log on from, and of course you can log out from here, and you will come back to the authentication window. So that concludes the main features of my project. There are many features I haven't covered in this short preview, but all the important parts have been shown. So thank you for your time.